Hi everyone, we have a 2009 Honda Odyssey, and recently we've been having problems with the blower motor in front. That's the blower that's responsible for blowing the air for the air conditioning and the heating. At first the problem was intermittent, and then the problem became permanent, and the blower motor stopped working altogether. I had read that the blower motor resistor is a part that commonly fails in these vehicles. So I hope to, in this video, share with you my experience with that and a very clear way about how to test the resistance on these things to tell whether they're good or not, and also illustrate very clearly which pin I'm testing when. So I'm going to kind of assign numbers to these pins. I don't know if this numbering is correct vis-a-vis the wiring diagram, but please note that I am looking at the resistor with the insert for the clip facing upward, so I hope you can see that. And I will refer to the upper right pin as number 1, the upper left pin as number 2, the lower right pin as number 3, and the lower left pin as number 4. Okay, so again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so first let's test the good resistor from AutoZone. Between pins 1 and 2, we see we have about 10 kilo ohms of resistance. Between pins 1 and 3, we have about 90 kilo ohms of resistance. And between pins 1 and 4, we have about 92, 93 kilo ohms of resistance. I'm not sure if my meter is totally accurate, but maybe it gives you a good idea. In the one from Amazon, the so-called MTX Audio one, let's test between pins 1 and 2. And there we have, boy, tough to get a stable reading from that one. Looks like 1 kilo ohm. And between pins 1 and 3, we have 154 kilo ohms. And then between pins 1 and 4, we have 157 kilo ohms. Okay, and then we'll have a look at the OEM one that went bad. Between pins 1 and 2, we have apparently nothing. That would be a problem. Between pins 1 and 3, we have about 97 kilo ohms. And between pins 1 and 4, we have around 100 kilo ohms. So it looks like the one from AutoZone is fairly close. Probably close enough. It seems to work, so we're pretty happy about that. So again, this one from AutoZone was about $65. This one from the MTX Audio branded one from Amazon was about $30, but it didn't work. And the OEM one, I think from the dealership, can be had around $200, maybe less if you can get the wholesale deal. I will also note that the heat sinks on these were somewhat different. It looks like the one from MTX Audio is somewhat smaller than the other ones. Okay. I hope everyone could see everything and that you find this helpful.